All right, so we have a 2022 Dodge Ram, what edition? What is the edition? Midnight edition?
Midnight edition.
Midnight edition, which makes it look really mean. It's got all blacked out stuff, no chrome. It's got black wheels. All the little trim pieces are blacked out. So it looks really mean, but it doesn't sound really mean. I'm gonna jump around the back here. So that's what it's got. What is this, 5.7, I assume?
Yeah.
So that's what a 5.7 sounds like in factory form. We definitely need to fix that. This is the stock muffler that we're replacing. This thing is massive. I mean, that's about 9 inches across. That's a huge muffler. So I think we're going to gain a bunch of power just in weight savings here. So according to the instructions, we need to cut this tube. I have a mark right here, 1.25 inches back from the muffler. I held up the new muffler. There's a bunch of overlap, so it's pretty safe there. Not really going to screw that up. So we need to make a cut there. We need to pull off these 2 rubber grommets up top. We need to unhook this ground wire that just clips onto the hanger. And then we can pull this hanger out as well after we take these 2 bolts off. So this is a real simple install. We should be done here in just a couple minutes. All right, so this install took just a few minutes. Like I said, I didn't really time it, but maybe a half an hour at the most. So supplied clamp on the back, per the instructions. We put a little anti-seize on that. And this thing takes up so little space. We use the stock gasket at that flange. It came with new nuts and bolts. We hooked the ground strap back up, used the factory hanger there. Factory hangers in the back. Real simple install. Should sound a whole lot better. All right, so after a few minutes of work, it definitely sounds like a truck should sound. Go ahead and give her some beans. Yeah, that's a whole lot better than it sounded a few minutes ago. All right, guys, so that was it. A very easy install on this 2022 Dodge Ram. We had installed this Flowmaster Outlaw Series direct fit muffler. And it sounds a whole lot better. It's probably gonna have a little bit more power too. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time.